Okay, today we're going to look at how to scan in a document into the Edison Copier. All right, we have a document. We put it into the document handler. Okay. We go down to here. You put in your code. And when you do that, you'll notice that it comes up onto the copy screen. Okay, what you really want is the scanner screen. So you hit scanner, and then it's going to ask you for your code again. If you hit scanner to start out with, it'll just ask you for your code once. But most people put their code in out of force of habit and go forward from there. Okay, when this is what the screen looks like. All right, if you want to give it a name so you can find it in the folder, you go to File Name. Okay, and this is what the screen would look like. You hit File Name again, and now you have a keyboard that shows up that's going to allow you to input whatever name you'd like to call the document. So in this case, I'm going to give it a name that I'll recognize. When you're giving it a name, do not put any characters like slashes or ats. You can use regular letters and numbers. Don't put any slashes, backslashes, dashes, none of those. Otherwise, it'll say that it's not sending to the server, and you'll be trying to figure out why. You'll think that maybe the server is down, but it's because of the name of the file. Okay? So we have a name here for it. After you type in your name, on the upper right hand side there's an OK button. You hit OK. Okay, you go back to the screen. Right? If you look down on the left hand side, you'll see that it gave it its file name. So you go up to the top and you hit OK again. Okay, now you're back to the beginning. All right, you pick where you want it to go to. Right? In our case, we want to send everything to new scans. Okay. So now we're set to go. We have it going to new scans. We gave it a name. We go over. We hit the start button. And all of a sudden, it dives into action. Okay? After it finishes scanning each page, it's going to go. You'll see the communicating byte button up for a second. And that's when it transfers. See, it goes on. And that's off. Okay? Ta-da! That's it. Now it's scanned to the new scans folder. The new scans folder is on each of the agent computers over here. Or if you have a laptop that I've had set up to be able to access the new scans folder, you can get it in there. So that takes care of that. Oh, and always remember to log off so that nobody else can use your code, and use it to make color copies or regular copies or anything. Again, that's you hit the clear mode and the red button at the same time. And the screen will pop up again for asking for your code. Alright? That's it for scanning. Have a good one.